So this is what a staggered formation looks like on your motorcycle. If she's there, she still has all her options available to her as far as lane position goes, escape routes, and so do I. If I need to make a sudden move and move over here, I can do that. If I was riding two abreast right next to her side by side, then we'd be essentially cutting each other off. Notice how she wanted to come over to get space cushion from that car? If I was right next to her, she wouldn't have as much room to come over and keep herself safe. I'm essentially blocking her from keeping herself safe. And that's not a good idea. Especially if you care about that other person on the motorcycle. You don't want to block them from potentially getting out of a bad spot and saving their life. So this is a much more responsible and better way to ride, is this staggered formation. We can still be relatively close to each other, but this is as close as you need to be right here, right? If she needs to slam on her brakes and maximum braking and make a evasive maneuver, she's got all the space to do that, and so do I. And we can both react to something up ahead and not cut each other off and kill each other.